Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. Today we'll be cleaning up this pan with this Astonish. This is the a new type. It's the original oven and cookware, and we are going to be cleaning the bottom of this as well. I got a couple of comments on the last one. It's Sweet Tooth, you didn't clean the bottom, so I'm going to go like that. You can see how pitted that is. It's been used, so right, let's get on with that. So all I use is just an old scouring pad. I get a wedge like that, maybe not quite as much. Just put it in like that. Let's start with the bottom. See if I can shift some of this. Now, I'm not going to get all the marks off because it's just way too black. But at least it's an improvement. Some of this black is like impossible to get off. We're more interested in the sides. Can you see me all right there? Yeah, you can. Wedge like that. There's something quite therapeutic about watching people cleaning stuff. So like I say, some marks won't come off with Astonish. It's not like the be all and end all. It doesn't get everything off. The only way you're going to cure that is getting a new pan. But at least it does get most of it. But I'm not going to sit for hours and hours and hours trying to get the damn thing clean. I'm going to go on the inside of it as well. It doesn't take too long to clean. I mean, it's a reasonably fast process. Did I say that right? Fast process. There we go. I'll say this isn't shifting at the bottom. It's got a little bit coming off, but there you go. So I'm going to rinse this off now, see how well I did. There you go guys, that's basically what it looks like now. Yeah, I'll probably work on that a little bit more, but generally I'm quite happy with that. It just keeps the pan nice and tidy, especially if you're hanging them up on display. Just makes them look a little bit. Yeah. There you go guys, so that's it. Astonish pan cleaner. And this stuff as well was only £1, so lasts ages. Thank you for watching as always. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.